जब आते हैं.
and
Okay.
decide their whatever they want to be, they can comment, no? Not this, right? You just show me once. It's all tab. If I have to,
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
okay. Yes, welcome back, students, to Edicraft Academy, and we are with the grammar class today. Okay, can you listen? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
good afternoon,
ma'am.
all of you. Fine, fine, fine. How are you? So we are with the transformation of sentences. Okay, and this is not a new topic for you because you are learning this from years. Okay, right from fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and this is the ninth, right? So, what is transformation of sentences exactly? Transformation of sentences is transforming one sentence to another without change of meaning. Okay? Without change of meaning. This is called transformation of sentences. Right? Now you know the kinds of sentences, right? What are the four kinds of sentences? If you remember, I taught you in the first chapter.
Assertive, imperative, interrogative, and exclamative.
Okay, fine. That's very good. All the four kinds of sentences. Now, when it comes up to the transformation of sentences, somewhere or the other, you will get those types of sentences also where you have to put a negation, affirmation, all such things, or interrogation, right? So let's begin with now, as you can see, converting of sentence from one form to another form without changing its meaning or sense. Okay, this is what is called transformation of sentences. Sense means meaning, and it is done in these different methods. That is by changing the pattern. That is to plus adjective. That is T double O. Remember, it is not T O, it is T double O. If you write T O, then it goes for a preposition. But we are not going for that. To means also. To plus adjective into so plus adjective plus that pattern. So that pattern. Okay. That's what they want to say. And no sooner than. They you will remember that it is THAN than, not then. No sooner than to as soon as. This will be the first pattern. Interchange of degrees of comparison. Okay, you know the degree of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay, like for example, good, good, better,
Better,
best. Fine, like that way. Interchange now, that's only up to words, but when it comes up to sentences, you have to take care of it, right? Interchange of one part of speech for the another. Good, we had just quickly gone through the parts of speech, right? We went for the nouns and the kinds, pronouns and the kinds. By the time you said we'll go for the transformation, my dear children, you have to go through all the parts of speech very minutely from the grammar text. Okay. Now interchanging are also of other different kinds. Active, passive. There's the simplest form in grammar where the okay, we have done before this, right? The subject is the doer of the verb, and here in
Doer of
passive,
the verb.
yes, and in passive it's the receiver of the action.
Receiver.
Yes, fine. So that's what I said you have to do. In fact, we have to do each and every kind of sentences from one form to another form, direct, indirect, and all such thing, analysis, etc. Then really we have to come to transformation. But as it has already been started in your school, we are going for this. Fine. Exclamatory. That is the sudden feelings of the mind. Exclamatory to assertive. We have already discussed the kinds of sentences. What is assertive? Assertive are those sentences which makes statements. Okay. What is interrogative? Interrogative are those sentences which asks you a question. So right from interrogative to assertive, assertive to exclamatory, and assertive also to interrogative. Affirmative. Affirmative means which shows positive, and this negative means negation. So affirmative to negative, direct and indirect speeches, that is the direct indirect, that is the narration. Okay, all this comes in the transformation of speech. Okay, then the different methods of transformation of words for the change of the words to and no to, or no sooner than. Keep it in mind, no sooner, THAN, than. We can change the form of sentence as below. He is too clever. This is the most commonly used transformation. Be careful. He is too clever to be easily deceived. Deceived means cheated. And he is so clever that he cannot be easily deceived. Okay, keep in mind this. He is too clever to be deceived easily, and here he is so clever that he cannot be deceived easily. Okay, remember you have to put cannot with so, and this is a simple statement, right? You're just telling a statement which is affirmative. He is too clever to be easily deceived. When you put the so, then you have to put he is so clever that he cannot be deceived. Okay. He is too cowardly. I told you the other day the meaning of cowardly means he is a darpok. I mean, in Hindi we say like that, but I told you even that day, if at all you have to ask or tell anyone anything, don't go from the back and attack. Talk to him in front. That is an act of cowardice. Okay, so he is too cowardly not to be bent. He is so cowardly that he will bend. Okay, he's too eager for praise. He's over eager. See, you can just speak it out in one word. He's too eager for praise. He's over eager for praise. Okay, we'll go to the next form. Well, you have a big long note over here. Understand? Adverb to is followed by an adjective. Okay, and then by a verb in the infinitive mood. Now you understood there is another chapter now, mood. Okay, there is a chapter there in your textbook. You go through it. When we are in a free lecture, we will discuss in regard to that. That's the reason I wanted to go chapter wise. Okay, we'll do it. Don't worry, but you also just go through. We expand the sentence into two clauses. The first containing so and the second with that. That is the first point. Second point, when the original sentence contains no negative word, the subordinate. What is subordinate? Means the sentence which is it is lingered on other, meaning it can't stand by itself. Subordinate. It's not the main clause, becomes a negative. If the sentence contains a negative word, the subordinate clause becomes positive. I kept and reminded you time and again for the question tags. Okay, you go through this, you will come to know. If there is no infinitive after TW2, it can be replaced by the word more than enough. Beyond the proper limit, over excessively, etc. Let's see the examples. No sooner had he arrived home than, you saw it? No sooner, when you use the usage of no sooner, you will put than than. No sooner than he was asked to start another journey. So, when you get the answer, when you write the answer, you'll say, as soon as he arrived home, he was asked to start on another journey. As soon as the sales began, we bought our Diwali presents. No sooner did the sales begin. Have you seen? No sooner did. You use the helping verb did. No sooner did the sales begin than. You saw? The usage of no sooner always followed by than than, not then. If you put E, then the whole sentence will go wrong. So no sooner did the sales begin than we bought our Diwali presents. No sooner said than done. Simple statement. See, no sooner as it was said, it was done. It was done. Okay, the past tense. You understand? As and when we go through the exercise or the illustrative examples, you will come to know. Okay, another one note for you. No sooner had he and he had no sooner. Both the constructions are correct. Okay, this keep in mind. But the former is more useful. This one, no sooner had he. No sooner construction, the past perfect tense was insisted by on strict grammarians. This is one thing we keep in mind. But the simple past is accepted as correct when now in the present age. Okay, no sooner, let's see an example. No sooner had the clock struck 10 than we went to bed. No sooner did the clock strike 10. Had the clock struck, this is the past participle. No sooner did, helping verb, no sooner did the clock strike 10, than we went to bed. Now interchange of degree of comparison, positive, comparative to superlative. Let's see this. Positive, no other boy is as tall as Jacob. Now we should understand that now here Jacob is taller than any other boy, and Jacob is the tallest. Now, when we say that no other boy, you understand his comparison is not only between two, but example, it can be in the class. Okay, so they may be more than two. Okay, so no other boy is as tall as Jacob. Jacob is taller than any other boy, and Jacob is the tallest boy. Positive here again, no other food is as nourishing as milk. That means it is the best of the lot. Okay, milk is more nourishing than any other food, and milk is the most nourishing food. Well, you understand that when degree of comparison between two, there is only positive and comparative. But when it is in the lot, we have all the three comparisons. Mumbai is the richest city in India. Mumbai is richer than any other city in India. No other city in India is so rich as Mumbai. Okay. Radium is one of the most valuable metals. Radium is more valuable than most other metals. See the word there, most other metals. And very few metals are as valuable as radium. Wordsworth was one of the greatest English poets. Wordsworth was greater than. not the Wordsworth, was greater than most other English poets, and very few English poets were as great as. So there are, but very few of them are as great as Wordsworth. Positive here. Very few hill stations in India are as beautiful as. When you have the adjective beautiful, you know more and most is the degree of comparison. Shimla is more beautiful than most other hill stations, and Shimla is one of the most. Don't forget the article THE, the boys and girls, because when you use the superlative degree, THE, the will always come in that, okay, before that. So, the most beautiful hill stations, okay. When one of the boys and girls, one more thing I want to point you out over here, when it is Shimla is one of the, जब आप लोग one of the use करोगे ना, तो हमेशा ये जो है noun will be plural. Okay, always. आप लोग को ये समझ में नहीं आया because you will say this teacher is one of the ना, it is one. No, it's one of the most beautiful hill stations, right? So when the usage of one of the comes, then that noun which follows will always be plural. अगर आपने यहाँ पर plural को जगह में singular रखा, okay, one of the hill station, तो यह half mark will go. In reality, you will get 0. तो ग्रामर एग्जाम में बहुत ध्यान रखना होता है, ठीक है? In India, okay. Asha is not one of the best story writers in the year. Again, one of the best story writers in English. This is in, okay, that is not great. Some story writers in English are better than Asha, and Asha is less good than. What is that? Less good than some other story writers in English. Asha is not so good as. Not so good a story writer. Here this usage we saw it in the previous lecture also. Asha is not so good story writer in English than other persons are. Okay, here again R is put in bracket. Whether you need to put or not, it's up to you, because if you put it, no matter. If you don't put, then also fine, because that is understood like as other writers are. Okay. Now superlative in some okay, fine. Arun is not the tallest of all the students. Arun is taller than some other students, and there are some students taller than Arun, and Arun is not as tall as other students. Okay, now here it is not possible to transform every degree. Keep it in mind. Not possible to transform every degree in every other degree. Important note. As Kailash is taller than Hari, cannot be transformed into the superlative degree, like, because superlative degree requires more than two persons or objects. यहाँ पर एकदम क्लियर है कि दो के बीच में अगर कंपैरिजन होगा, इसके पहले हमने ऑलरेडी कहा, तो देयर विल बी ओनली positive and comparative. Or it will not be superlative only when it's more than two. Let's see. We will quickly go into some exercises and all that, and I'll hardly do some 4 to 5. The rest of it you will be doing it in assignment, and the note will come to you that you have to give it as a note. Whatever we are discussing over here, you have to put it in the assignment book and then the same day. Okay. There are so many children who are not participating. I will talk to your parents. Some of you are doing good, some are not doing so good. Okay, I have before only I have told you, don't write the answers in this way. One good child who has written, okay, that was yes. Even for your class, it was the same. Though you are writing it this way. Make it like that. The page should be like that. Okay. Be careful. And when I go and get the grammar test, After this, we will be having a test of poetry and story. And the third test will be grammar, right? So, fine. Now, the following sentences, what are we to do over here? We have to interchange the part of speech. ये बहुत important है तुम्हारा बोर्ड एग्जाम का 8 मार्क्स का जो क्वेश्चन है ना दैट इज कंटेनिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस इसलिए ये सारी चीजें आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है वर्ब एंड नाउन एंड एडजेक्टिव he succeeded in his attempt that is we are concerned with verb here his attempt was crowned with success such a beautiful sentence have you seen it his attempt was crowned with success. Therefore, you can, add some words to decorate your sentence. Decorate matlab make it more colorful. He succeeded in his attempt. So his attempt was crowned with success. You see the word? Okay, his attempt was successful. So successful here is adjective, noun is success, and succeeded is verb. Have you seen the difference? Okay, go for the chapter noun, verb, and adjectival forms. You will understand how to do it. Respect your elders is a simple one that is here counted as VRB verb. Be respectful is adjective. Noun is show respect here in the form of a noun noun. He died in an instant. See, this is a noun. Instantaneously is adverb. Why? Because we have ly, my dear children. Again, he walks intelligently. Now here, he works with intelligence. Generally, CE will be noun. Ly will be adverb. Be careful. Adverb. The village farmer was apparently a fool. The village farmer appeared to be. देखा? Apparently meaning you should know it is appearance. So the village farmer appeared to be a fool. It is evident. Evident matlab clear. He hides the true facts from us. So what is here? Evident is adjective. Are you listening, children? Adverb is he
Yes,
evident.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
He
Yes, ma'am.
evidently here hides the true facts. Okay, when you give the assignment, boys and girls, I will just tell the last before the lecture ends. I'll just tell you which exercise you can do it as an assignment and send. Okay, and say some sentences you can write without looking. That means it will be in the form of a TEST test. Okay, remove two. Now this is an exercise, therefore you will participate, but don't participate in such a manner that making it a noisy one. Okay, be careful because all your misbehavior will affect your marks. He is too proud to admit his FAULT fault.
He is so proud that he cannot
He
admit
is
his
so
fault.
proud that he cannot
यस डिड
admit
आई टेल
his
यू
fault.
2 मिनट्स 2 मिनट पहले क्या कहा टीचर ने आप लोग इतना नॉइजी मत करो सो इट विल बी नाउ टुडे व्हाट आई डू आई विल कॉल आउट योर नेम एंड देन टेल बिकॉज आप लोग ना nobody is what to say all of you are not taking part in the conversation that is the pity of it.
Okay, ma'am.
The first girl who said
Okay,
please
ma'am.
okay
Ma'am Shrija.
Shrija, good. Come on. Now, next one, you will tell your name and then say the answer. Okay? Okay, Shrija, tell the answer again.
Ma'am, first one.
Yes.
He is so proud that he cannot admit his fault.
If you tell the correct answer, you will get extra marks. Okay. Second, Srija's time is over. Now you will not answer other one. Another girl. First three chance to girls. Next
Sanil.
three. Wait. Next three chance to the boys. Okay. The first one is done. I'm noting a name. Mine. This trunk is too heavy for me to lift. Another girl.
Ma'am, Fennel.
Second one. Girl's chance. Not Shrija.
Ma'am Anushka,
Yes. Say.
this trunk
Ma'am,
is so
Fennel.
heavy.
Yes, say.
This trunk is so heavy that I cannot lift it.
Okay. Noted your name, Anushka. Good. Now, the teacher is too weak to control the class. Third girl.
Ma'am, Fennel.
Ma'am Shreya.
Ma'am
Ma'am, Fennel.
Shreya.
Ma'am, Fennel. Ma'am, Fennel.
Okay, Fanny. Yes. Third one.
The, the teacher is so weak he cannot control the class.
Who is that? You're laughing? Fanny is laughing? Can control the laughter. Then you will get
No, ma'am.
minus. If you laugh now, you will get minus mark. Okay, so Shrija, Anushka, and Fanny have answered. Now, answer the boys. Come forth. This news is too good to be true. Boys, first, any one boy.
This news is so good to be true.
Chance is gone. You are not said properly. What's your name?
Ganesh.
Anish, what happened to you? How did you tell wrong? Minus marking, okay? Next boy, ये यहाँ पर टेस्ट लेती हूँ मैं. आपका टेस्ट
I'm
लेती
Ganesh.
हूँ. गणेश, ये your Ganesh, fine. Ganesh, why you have forgotten the usage of so? अच्छा गणेश के बाद next boy. Next boy. Same sentence. This news is too good to be true. No boy is there. I'm telling
This
you
news is so good that it is true.
that it is true. बोलोगे. What is your name? Swam.
Ma'am, can I? Yes, ma'am.
Your name is Swam. Swam, you also like Ganesh.
Yes.
What happened again? Is the
Ma'am, can I?
who is that? Name बोलो.
Ma'am, Yakshraj.
Yes. Yaksh. Y A X.
Ma'am, this news is so good that it cannot be true.
Very good. Very good. That means first two boys, Ganesh and Swam. What happened to you? Now this boy has told the correct one. Okay. So first two is getting the minus mark. Yes. So this news is so good that it cannot be true. Ganesh and Swam take care of that. So good that it cannot be true. Okay. Another boy. It is never too late to mend. Now only three boys are participating. ये नाम
It's never so late to mend.
who is that boy?
Sujal, ma'am.
What's that?
Sujal, Sujal.
Shujal.
Yes, ma'am. Sujal.
Fine, I'm writing a name here. देखो संडे को पीटीएम है ना आई विल बी टॉकिंग टू योर पेरेंट्स इसलिए मैंने ये नेम्स में रखा है गणेश and these two have not Yakshaj has said Shujal. Okay, that's right. Shujal, tell again. It is never too late to mend. It is.
It is never so late to mend.
Yes, it is never so late that you mend or cannot mend. So late that
Not mend.
yes, it cannot be mend. Cannot should be there when you are transforming. Okay, the sixth one also goes to a boy. He is too young to travel
He is so
alone.
young that he
He
cannot
is so
travel
young,
alone.
he cannot travel
He
alone.
is so young that he
He
cannot
is so
travel
young,
alone.
he can't travel alone.
Okay,
So young, he cannot.
boys, are you disobeying me? एक साथ तीन चार बोलोगे तो पता कैसे चलेगा? Who is the first one who said? first
मैम
form?
स्वयं.
Swayam. Okay, one by one बोलोगे तब सुनाई देगा. Swayam, tell me. He is.
He is so young. He is so young that he cannot travel alone.
Yes, good, good. Now you have done the work, Swayam. Okay, so fine. Okay, so the first three went to the girls, next three went to the boys. Now I will ask helter skelter, one girl, one boy. Okay? Okay. Girl.
Ma'am, Fennel.
Ma'am Richa.
मैम श्रेया.
Teacher.
Ma'am Anushka. Ma'am
Girls.
Anushka.
Ma'am, Fennel.
Ma'am Richa.
Girls,
Ma'am,
stop.
Fennel.
Ma'am Richa.
Girls, will you stop?
Ma'am, Fennel.
See, this class is being recorded. And if you make a noise, it's going to be recorded that way. Everyone can't say. Richa, his voice is too rough to attract the hearers. Richa say.
His voice is so rough that it cannot attract hearers.
Very good.
Ma'am.
Like this you will answer. The chance is gone, finish. Now
Ma'am.
three
Ma'am,
girls.
Ma'am, can we write that his voice is so loud?
Yes, say.
Ma'am, can we write this? His voice is so rough to attract hearers.
Where is the usage of so and cannot? When you put, let us read again. You are
Ma'am,
not.
so his voice is so rough to attract hearers.
Who is this girl asking me?
Anushka.
Anushka, how you have forgotten the usage? You are asking me like, who is this boy? Ganesh. Let us see this. Again, we'll read the sentence. His voice is too rough to attract the hearers. His voice is so rough that he cannot attract the readers. Then you make the sentence without changing the meaning. अगर आप लोग so के साथ you will not put the negative and make it a positive तो अर्थ का अनर्थ हो जाएगा. देखते हैं फिर भी देखो. His voice is so rough to attract readers. His voice is so rough that he cannot attract his hearers. This is the one. Okay. Girl only. He is too simple-minded to be successful.
Ma'am Jia.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Anushka.
Fennel.
Shreya.
Ma'am, Fennel.
Ma'am, Anushka.
Ma'am, Fennel.
I will not give chance
Ma'am,
to
Fennel.
girls. I will not give one person. Okay, so you want your class recorded in a bad manner?
No, ma'am.
Yes, good. The boy who answered will tell the answer.
He was so late to heard the.
Okay, let's read the sentence, my dear. He is too
Ma'am, can I tell?
simple-minded to be a successful agent. He is, yes,
So simple-minded that cannot successful agent.
that he cannot be. Give the pronoun he because we are concerned with the subject he. That he cannot be a successful agent. Okay? He was,
Okay, ma'am.
yes, that was Ganesh who spoke.
Yes, ma'am.
He was too late to hear the opening remarks of the president.
Ma'am Mahi.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Fennel.
Mahi say.
Yes, ma'am.
Mahi say. Yes,
He
Mahi.
was. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
He was so late that he cannot hear the opening of the president.
Okay, I think so. Something has happened to your mic. Your voice is being cut in the middle. Fine.
Ma'am, can I type?
Ma'am, Fennel.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
try?
Fennel.
Ganesh,
Can I
tell.
type?
He's
Ma'am, Fennel.
Ma'am, Anushka.
who
Ma'am,
is
Fennel.
Dhanashree? He was too late to hear the opening remarks. Who is Dhanashree? Say this answer.
Ma'am Manasvi.
Okay, Manashri. Fine, fine. Say. He
Yes,
was.
ma'am. He was so late
he cannot hear the opening remarks of the president.
Yes, very simple. He was so late that he could not, right there, could not hear the opening remarks of the president. Come on. Any boy, who is that? Tanish. Where is Tanish? Tanish has come today? Tanish
Ma'am,
Garg?
can I?
No,
Ma'am,
wait.
Sujal. Ma'am.
Tanish Garg is there?
No, ma'am, he's not there.
I
No,
think
ma'am,
he's
not
left
there.
the class. He's left.
I'm Lakshya.
Tanish Garg has left the class. He's never attending grammar. Okay. Any other boy?
No, ma'am, he's present.
I'm Lakshya.
Ma'am, I am.
Ma'am,
Lakshya.
Swayam.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Lakshya
Swayam.
say, Lakshya. The case is too urgent to be postponed.
The case is so urgent that it cannot be postponed.
Very good, very good. The case is so urgent that it cannot be postponed. You have understood how to do the answers. Come on. Now, girls' chance. First, you tell me who is
Fennel.
the one girl.
I'm Anushka.
Ma'am, Fennel.
जिसका listen this, जिसका chance आया ना वो नहीं बोलेगा. Now out of this, Shrija has done, Anushka has done, Fanny has done, and
Ma'am, जी.
Manashri
I'm
has done.
Richa.
इसके सिवाय और कौन सा गर्ल है?
I'm Richa.
Ma'am, Jia.
Richa also has done. Yes, Jia, come on. Jia, I have not heard your voice. You are too late for the train, Jia.
You are so late that you cannot catch the train.
You are so late that you are too late for the train. You are so late
That you cannot catch the train.
that you cannot catch the train. I think so. You are the this is the first time I have ever heard your voice. You are not answering. Okay, so Jia also is done. Manashri. Then what is this? Okay.
Ma'am, Mahi.
Yes. Who is the other girl who has not answered at all?
Ma'am, Mahi.
Okay, Mahi has answered,
Ma'am,
right?
ma'am.
Mahi.
But ma'am, that voice was not coming
Okay,
properly.
fine. 12 number. Let me read first. He is
Yes.
not too eager for praise. Mahi say,
Yes, ma'am. He is not so eager that he should be praised.
he is not so eager that he
That he
should be praised.
Ma'am.
Okay,
should
boys.
Ma'am, what is eager?
Eager means you are very much, wanting to know. You have the eagerness.
उतावला होना. Excited.
Yes, जिज्ञासा होना. मतलब yes, उतावला तो नहीं, उतावला मतलब क्या है?
Excited.
Yes, you are very much wanting to know. You are craving. CRAVE, crave ना वो सही शब्द है. CRAVE, crave मतलब जिज्ञासा होना. Okay, you are very eager for praise. If you want praise, you should be good. Okay, ये boys में से गणेश will not say, स्वयं will not say, यक्षराज, then सृजल. ये चार बच्चे में से और कौन सा लड़का है जो आंसर बोलेगा? दिस लास्ट 13. योर स्पीच वॉज टू गुड फॉर द वर्ड्स. 4 बॉयज को छोड़कर अनदर बॉय. Swayam, you tell me who is the other boy. Swayam, you tell me another boy.
Ma'am, Lakshya or Ayan.
Yes, Ayan, right? Ayan. Lakshya also said. Ayan will say. Ayan say this. Your speech was so good, too good for words. Ayan will say the
Your
answer.
speech was so good for words.
So, yes, you are forgetting the usage. गया तुम्हारा माइनस में? Come on.
Ma'am, can I?
No girls will open your mouth. Ayan has gone. Ayan सिवाय और दूसरा बच्चा कौन है? Who is the next boy? अगर तुमने नहीं कहा this
Can I, Sujal?
Sujal. Who is the another one boy who is not given the answer? Boys का माइनस में जाएगा. ठीक है? So many girls have answered.
Ma'am, can I?
Who is that boy?
Smith.
Smith. Yes, Smith का पहले बार I'm listening to आवाज. Come on. Yesterday only I was. Yes.
Your
SMITH.
speech, your speech was not so good for words.
Your speech was too good for words. Your speech was so good. Come on. That that के साथ
It should be
Okay, now Swayam will answer. Now these all people are failing. Come on, Swayam answer. Your speech was so
I'm
good.
Ganesh.
Swayam is there. Tell the answer.
Your
Your
speech
speech was so good.
So good. Come on.
when
Your
Sujan.
speech was
cannot
so
words.
good and it was good for words.
Mhm.
Your speech was good. It should be a word.
Was so good that.
It should be a word.
Now, what do you understand? Let
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell who is the.
ma'am, ma'am, I am Anushka. Ma'am, I have doubt. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in question there is rewrite following sentences so as it so to remove the adverb to. तो मैम इसमें cannot लिखना ऐसा जरूरी थोड़ी ना है कि आपको हर सेंटेंस में cannot या not लगाना ही पड़ेगा सिर्फ so and to का ही है
Okay. You're having a good question. Let's go back to this statement.
इसलिए मैम हमने थोड़ा आगे में एक दो जिसमें मैंने आंसर्स बोले थे ना उसमें मैंने cannot नहीं बोला था
Okay. 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 Now, that form of this two was here, right? Hmm. Yes. Now, okay. Now, when the sentence is a positive one, now what happens? See, okay, let us see this. You are too late for the train. He is not too eager. Now we have seen NOT not, right? He is not too eager for praise. He is so eager that he cannot get the praise. Your speech was so good for the words. Your speech was so good that it was. Yes. What will you? Okay. Now Anushka, tell me your answer.
your speech was so good for words
Speech was too good for the words. Your speech was so good for words. Your speech was so good that it was. Okay, let's see like that. Doesn't matter. Let's see. Your speech was so good for words. Okay, now the sentence is having some meaning over there because if we read this sentence, let us read the 13th sentence again so you will understand. Your speech was too good for words. Your speech was so good for words. That it was like it is like that the sentence that the news is too good to be true. The news is too good to be true. Let us see this. See in the beginning.
ma'am can I try the jotting number
Tell. Who is this? Jyoti. What's your name?
Lakshya
Lakshya. Okay.
your speech was so good that it cannot be in words
Oh, yes. Your speech was so good that it cannot be in words. Okay, let's see this. I just want you to see this. The news. The
मैम बट हमें नेगेटिव फॉर्म में करना ही क्यों है जब उसमें क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ इतना है कि सो और सो को हटा के टू लगाना है
Yes. So yes, you need not put in negative. Where did I say you to put this? Because the statement is a positive one. है ना? Your speech was too good for words. Your speech is too good for words. Simple like this you are saying. Okay,
यस मैम
okay, fine. Let's see this, okay? Let us just check this out. The news is too good to be true. Now, when we are converting this, the answer is this. What is the answer, Anushka? Anushka, no? Who said now this answer?
यस
Anushka,
Yes,
tell this
ma'am.
answer. Tell this
Ma'am, for
answer.
which
This. The news is too good to be true.
the news is so good that it cannot be true.
Okay, there we are writing like that. Okay, so when it comes to this, your speech was too good for words. Your speech was so good for words. Okay, anyhow, we will keep it like that, but I will just try to find out whether there
Ma'am,
is
can I
something.
try 13 number?
Yes, who
Ma'am,
is that
can I
girl?
try?
Who is that girl?
Shrija.
Shrija, yes. Say,
Your speech was too good. Sorry, your speech was so good that no other words can compete with it.
oh, that's also fine. That's also fine. Your speech was so good that no other words could compete it. Compete.
Compete with it.
Compete with it. Okay, fine. That also was okay. Your speech was so good
Ma'am,
that
your
no
speech
other words
so
could compete with it. Who is the other girl?
ma'am, ma'am Sujal,
Sujal say.
your speech was so good that it could not be ours.
No, no, it could not. Could not compete with the words. Okay, fine. Okay. Now let's go to
Ma'am,
the
can I try?
say. 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 Who is that girl?
Your speech was excessively good for words.
Oh, yes. Who is that girl?
Fennel.
Shannon. Your speech was so excessively good for words. Yes, you have nipped it in the bud. You have nipped it in the bud without getting the extra words. Your speech was excessively good for words. That's also fine. You understood? Your speech was so, but the word so is there, right? So excessively good for words. Fine, no problem. Yes. Now, Sundar Singh was too God fearing to leave the fallen man to his apathy fate. इस सेंटेंस का मतलब
Ma'am
यह है
Swayam,
एक मिनट सेंटेंस का मतलब यह है कि दिस पर्सन सुंदर सिंह ये जो बंदा है ही इज वेरी गॉड फियरिंग ठीक है एंड गॉड फियरिंग होने के नाते ही डिड नॉट लीव द मैन टू हिज एपेटी फेट मतलब डेस्टिनी ओके सो दिस वी हैव seen okay now tell me the answer who is that who
Ma'am,
any other
Ma'am
Fennel.
Swayam,
no,
Ma'am Swayam,
wait. Don't make it noisy. So many boys have already done.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Fennel.
No. Any boy Smith Smith के बाद दूसरा कौन सा बच्चा है boys में who has not yet answered? Eight boys said the answer one or the other. Ninth boy. Because you people are some 20 or something. 20 में से only 8 बच्चे.
45.
I'm talking boys girls separate. हाँ. So let us take for example 20 boys उसमें से only 8. Now come on, any other boy?
Ma'am can I?
Tell me your name.
Smith,
Smith only. Another boy is not there. Smith is के पहले वाला answer has given. What is the other one boys? Nobody has got answers.
Ma'am can I tell?
Who is that?
Swayam,
Okay, Smith say. Smith. Let him say. Other all the boys, father and mother, I will talk. Be careful. Exam होगा then it will be problem. Yes. Smith, tell the
Sundar
answer.
Singh, Sundar Singh was so God fearing to leave. So Sundar Singh was so God fearing, he will not leave the fallen man to his fate.
देखो तुमने जो ये ट्रायल किया ना ट्रायल बेसिस में वो सही है मगर वो ग्रामेटिकल फॉर्मेशन जो है ना ग्रामेटिकल फॉर्मेशन इज इनकरेक्ट बाकी यू हैव राइट द आंसर
Ma'am,
करेक्टली
can I tell?
नाउ स्वयं विल गिव
Ma'am,
द
can I
आंसर
tell?
स्वयं
Yes, ma'am. Sundar Singh was so God fearing that he cannot leave the fallen man to his fate.
fine that's correct was so god fearing that he could not leave the fallen man to his apathy fate Acha, the last this some 8 girls
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
yes
Fennel.
Uh,
Who
Ma'am,
is
can
that
I?
girl? Who is that girl?
Ma'am, Anushka.
Fenris.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
Fenris.
Last one. No, the last.
Ma'am, Gracie.
There are, yes, you speak, you speak. There are too many boys in the class for one teacher to control. Yes. Say the answer.
There are so many boys in there are so many boys in the class that one teacher cannot control them.
Yes, correct. That is very simple a sentence. Fine. Now, 15 sentences are done over here. Now, when you go for the next, you will be writing down. Now, see, we are having the next exercise of the B1, and here you have to simply use is so short that he cannot. Now, the opposite of that. So short that he cannot
Ma'am,
bring
can I
soldier is so कजर में टू यूज करना है.
too short to be a soldier?
Ma'am,
He is too short
Anushka.
to be a
He is
soldier.
too short that he can be a
Okay,
soldier.
He is too
okay, okay.
short to be a soldier.
Students, students,
He
please
is
listen. Children, please listen. Now the 15th one was the last. Now it's time up. So from the B, we are leaving, and you will be doing in the assignment. Okay, this one to 5. Okay, there are 10 sentences. You'll do this. Okay, will you try it?
Okay,
Do
ma'am.
it at the
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
assignment.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, children, and have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
friends.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.